Need to offer revisions while maintaining clear boundaries and professional workflow? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to add revision packages to your Fiverr orders to keep clients happy while protecting your time. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Revisions are an essential part of delivering client satisfaction, but they need to be managed properly to avoid endless changes. Let me show you how to set up revisions that work for both you and your buyers. First, specify revision terms clearly in your gig description and order requirements. State exactly how many revisions are included in each package and what types of changes are covered. This sets proper expectations from the beginning. Use the Resolution Center to formally offer additional revisions beyond your standard package. Navigate to the specific order, click Resolution Center, and select Offer Additional Revisions to create a structured revision add-on. Set fair pricing for extra revisions that reflects the time and effort required. Consider offering revision packages, like 3 revisions for a set price, rather than single revisions to provide better value while reducing administrative tasks. Track all revision requests in the order message thread to maintain a clear record. Ask clients to provide all feedback in one message and specify exactly what they want changed to avoid multiple revision rounds. A crucial pro tip: include a revision policy in your delivery message that explains how to request changes and the timeframe for revision requests. Also, consider offering a revision upgrade extra for clients who might need more flexibility, priced appropriately for the additional work involved. And just like that, you've mastered the art of professional revision management. Clear revision policies ensure client satisfaction while protecting you from endless change requests. If this guide helps you handle revisions more effectively, please give it a like. How do you balance client revision requests with your project timeline? Share your strategies in the comments below. For our final Fiverr tutorial, subscribe for our next video on how to cancel a Fiverr order. Thanks for watching.